Alam niyo ba guys, I don't know if I have to share this, no? Pero sige na nga. Recently, someone just paid me 150,000 pesos for me to teach him forex trading. Pero ang catch, kailangan in person. So walang BS, I'll share with you yung actual transfer receipt. Of course, I cannot divulge yung kung sino man siya. Pero if you are in his position, are you willing to pay that much to learn forex trading? Nowadays, what is good, mga champion, and welcome back to another video. So today I just want to share with you guys, it's not really to brag, no, pero I just want to point out that, see, when you truly value what you're going to gain to someone or something, you really prioritize yung personal or self-development, di ba? So in this case, as I was saying sa intro, no, recently this guy, he just recently arrived from the US, and he's an avid follower of mine, no, sa social media like YouTube, and he pretty much catching up with the TFP Warrior System strategy. He said that he almost watched everything, every video that I publish sa YouTube, and try to dig in talaga yung ginagawa ko. And he showed me some of his trades, and he's doing well. There are some, things that kailangan pa nating improve. And of course, kasama na rin dyan yung trading psychology. But out of nowhere, no, since he just recently arrived from the US, nandito na siya sa Pinas, apparently he's just nearby my place. And out of nowhere, as I mentioned, he just brought up something na interesting. Kasi sabi niya, Sir, I really want to be good in trading kasi I decided to be go on a full-time trader setup. Okay? Take note, hindi siya baguhan na. He already had some experience at pagtitrade. Pero, one thing, he said, Sir, I'm willing to pay this much. Okay, turuan niyo ako mag-trade. Ituro niyo sa akin yung TFP champion system. Pero what I'm demanding is, sabi niya, the catch is, gusto ko in person. Okay? So, yun yung setup namin. And actually, already started last week. So, since it's just nearby, probably 30-minute drive, no, from my place. Okay? Depende pag may traffic. Pero ang point doon, why did I accept the offer? Okay? It's not because of the money, no? It's because of my commitment. Tandaan nyo, guys, what I'm saying is, he told me in a span of 3 months, you want to be better. Okay? He doesn't ask me to become perfect. Okay? Ang point doon is, he just want to, kung ano siya, ang status niya ngayon, he want to level up. Okay? As quickly as possible. And I told him, it would take 3 months or so for him to gain yung proper knowledge and experience, and also yung proper application ng TAP Champion System. Take note, sa mga baguhan dito, no, the strategy that I'm teaching sa YouTube is my bread and butter. Ilang beses ko sinasabi yan. Nagsimula ako sa basics application ng structural key level, support resistance, candlestick knowledge. So from that, I formulated a rule-based system, which is yung TFP system. That is what I'm teaching you and show you guys YouTube. Because I know for a fact that you can make money decently from the strategy. You don't have to pay me anything. It's free, diba? So if you haven't checked that out, check my 35 plus minutes tutorial, step-by-step guide on the TFP Warrior System strategy. So, the TFP Champion System is more on, diba, like a level up. It's more on giving you the most high probability setup na pwede mong makuha at a low risk, high reward approach. Okay? So, that TFP Champion System is the thing na tinuturo ko sa VIP mentorship, the one-on-one mentorship. So, going back dito sa guy na to, okay? He's more than my age. Okay? He has loads of money. Of course, he's from the US. He is a professional. Okay? I don't know if he's a project manager or what for the longest time. But it's not on his professional. He just want to go full time kasi he want to retire early, not here in the Philippines, but in the US. He just recently came back from the US for a personal visit. Okay. And from his visit, he want to be productive. And the reason I'm sharing with you is meron tayong makukuhang lesson dito, no? You see, when people value what he would gain, as I always mentioned, he can drop loads of money on that specific for him to gain that something na inaasam niya. Okay? He knows his priority. Yun yung point ko dito. Everyone has their own priorities, commitments, goals, di ba? Pero the reason dito na nagkakaroon ng distinction between successful guy to a non-successful guy is ano yung mga bagay na pinapriority nyo. For example, ikaw, right? Gusto mong gumaling sa trading. Pero alam niyo ba guys, basic experience ko, no, the hardest people to deal with is yung mga kuripot, yung mga buraot, ika nga. So, maraming ganyan sa social media, di ba? Lalo na sa mga comment section minsan ng mga videos ko. Sir, turo mo na yung libre, kumikita ka naman na malaki eh. Again guys, it's not because I made money or I'm making money from my personal trading. Okay? I have to give it for free. Take note. What I had, okay, what I know, it's years of experience, years of failures, years of trial and error, and years of formulating my craft to become better. Okay? If I'm going to teach you for free, I am disrespecting my value and my time. Okay? I'm not saying na madamot ako, no? It's just that you have to respect my grind. Okay? Kailangan yung bayaran and I have to put a price tag on what I can offer. Okay? And for you to become better, sometimes you have to get a mentor, di ba? So, you always want to learn from someone who is better than you. Okay? You don't want to learn from someone na pareho kayong nag-aaral pa lang. Tama ba? So, in this case, I know for a fact, even I gauge the skill nung tinuturuan ko ngayon na in person, not to brag, it is still light years ahead, okay? Figuratively speaking, no? Pero, dahil nga, he's undergoing the program, this fast track bootcamp, in person, okay? I have done this before, no? Pero, take note, he's the one initiated for the price. That is how eager he is na matutunan talaga yun and how committed he is. You don't care about the price, okay? For some point, I am thinking, okay, you have lots of money, okay, then so be it, di ba? So, I accepted your challenge and I can make you better in 3 months in person. I'll go to your place and let's do trading side by side. Okay? Yun yung gusto niya setup, di ba? Kasi no one else does that. Lalo yung mga nagtuturo sa academy. You're in group, no? So, more or less, maraming, di ba, tinuturuan, okay? And pretty much, siguro mas mahal pa, di ba? It can go from 200 to 500,000 pesos ang chinacharge sa inyo. Siguro mga palamuti na lang yung mga pamphlet, booklet, kung ano-ano mang binibigay sa inyo ng mga kung ano-ano. Mga notebook, mga pakape. Again, that's not the point. Okay? You can be comfortable in that environment. Pero, what you have to truly value is, ano ba yung matutunan ko dyan? Baka naman yung tinuturo is readily available na sa Google, sa ano pa, public information na, ika nga, hindi na siya bago. So, kung nagbayad kayo ng almost 200k, ang tinuturo pa rin sa inyo is MACD, RSI, crossover, ano pa, bayad support sa lot resistance logic, this and that, run away. Don't spend that much. I'm telling you guys, those are all BS. Okay? I'm not saying it will not work for some time, pero you're all bound to lose yung succeeding trades. Okay? I respect other people's business kasi for some, ginawa na talagang business, no? For me, it's just my passion. Kung makita nyo, I was trying to be more consistent na hindi nagiging entertainment yung contents ko. Lalo na dun sa YouTube channel. Here in sa YouTube. For some kasi nagiging motivational speaker na sila more than, 'di ba, trading na. Iba naman naging entertainment kasi flex ng flex sa mga rented cars, rented house, kung ano man, mga fake money. So, achievements nila is more on bragging na lang, 'di ba? It's more on gaining attraction and becoming more of an entertainment. And that's why nadidistract kayo lahat. Kasi you're just watching for entertainment purposes. It's not really gaining what you will have pagdating sa knowledge. For me, I try to be more consistent on education-based contents, 'di ba? So makita nyo, panoorin nyo yung sobrang daming videos ko. Karamihan dyan technical analysis, 'di ba? Siguro 90% ng contents ko technical analysis because I want you guys to learn na pwede pa lang mag-trade na hindi kailangan magbayad ng ganun kamahal, okay? Pero in contrast, no, baka kasi sabihin nyo, o bakit mo sinasabi na may nagbayad sa ganyan? Point being is, know your priorities. Huwag nyo tipirin yung sarili nyo pagdating sa makukuha nyo value. Okay? It might be a lot of money for some, pero take note, hindi ganun kamahal yung, option 1, 2, 3, sa mga nag-inquire na, alam niyo naman yung price, okay? Sa mga nag-avail na, lalo na sa option 2, it's reasonable, okay? Pero from that 28 masterclass lessons, I can assure you, in a span of less than or 3 months or so, okay? Depende how diligent you are sa pag-aaral, you'll be better. Much, much better than you are of what you have now in terms of skill, di ba? So, kung ikaw naman ay one-on-one or a fast track like bootcamp, you'll become more better and yung learning curve mo is mapapaikli natin. Alright? So, again, sharing with you this situation, no? I just want to let you know na everything is learnable naman. Okay? And sometimes I just have to expound, no? The reason I'm charging people is because you're paying for my time, right? Paying for my craft, for my knowledge na pwede kong isalin sa inyo. And once you learn that, you can also pass it on to your children, loved ones, family, friends. And if you become a master of your own, you can make money from it. Diba? So, I'm not trying to be hypocrite dito, no? I make money from from the courses, mentorships, the sport, okay? Because I value my time. I try to make money from it, okay? Aside from my personal trading profits, okay? And also, I do have other businesses na pinagkakitaan din. So, I'm also a consultant. So, again, point dito, know your weaknesses and strengths. Okay? It's just so happened that I am better more than anyone pagdating sa industry to. Okay? I'm not saying I'm perfect. It's just that I'm still on above average, di ba? That's the reason I'm sharing with you what I know. So, take note. You want to learn, you can digest all the videos that I published free. Okay, lalo na yung war system. But you want to step up the game like this guy. He's really the man, no? He's really the man because he value himself more than anything else. He don't care about the price tag of, how much that. I don't care. Teach me, let's do this. Let's sit side by side and do this. Make me better, okay? Yun yung maganda kausap, hindi yung alam nyo guys, nakakatawa lang, no? Marami nag-inquire sa akin. Hindi na paulit-ulit, di ba? Sabi ko na yung price. Tatawad pa eh, di ba? So, I'm not saying na hindi naman ako, minsan nagbibigay naman talaga ako ng discounts. Di ba? Kung nag-aabang kayo, minsan I even provide 50%, di ba? Okay? Ang point nito is, huwag kayong buraot, di ba? Natatawa ako din sa mga buraot. Ano ba to? Ano man tingin nyo sa akin? Namamalengke lang, di ba? So, kung gusto nyo mas mura, alright, hanap na lang kayo na iba, guys. I value my craft, sabi ko nga, and whatever I charge you guys, I'll try to make sure na babalik naman sa inyo yun. Right? So, again, if you want to be part, no, of our global TFP VIP Champions community, again, sabi nga, you may want to check out my offered 3 programs. So, for the option 1, ito po yung ating TFP VIP Champion 90-day one-on-one mentorship program. So we will be meeting twice per week session, and this is really catered for a beginner level, even zero knowledge pwede, to advanced or intermediate to advanced, inclusive ng aking TFP main VIP champion system. Alright? So, this is my main strategy na tinuturo ko sa mga VIPs. Okay? Kung may problema ka sa mga schedules, lalo na kung nasa healthcare industry ka, pabago-bago ng shift, di ba? So, the option 2 is the TFP Champion Masterclass. So, I have managed to prepare 28 masterclass lessons. So, walang excuse. You can learn at your own pace kasi ito po ay downloadable. So, that will be your lifetime access of learning material. So, walang excuse. And lastly, for the option 3, if you want more of a fast track, this is the TFP Champion Bootcamp. So, we'll be meeting 4 times per week session. So, same strategy, same setup. It's just that we have more time to interact pagdating sa lessons, right? So again, but if you have, a special price for me to teach you in person, I may have to consider. Let me check my schedule and we'll be glad to help you and be better in just 3 months, right? So thank you so much to all my TFP VIP champion students all over the globe, subscribers, followers, and sa lahat po ng sumusuporta. So God bless and see you all on the next videos. Bye-bye.
Alright guys, so I just want to inform and announce that our TFE VIP Champion Student private Discord community is already up. And yeah, here we have several channels wherein we share our technical trading ideas among each other. And of course, we also have our weekly trade ideas para sa ating mga weekly forecast para sa mga currency pairs and some announcement section. And of course, since tayo ay global, of course, we have other students as well na galing sa mga ibang bansa overseas. So, we introduce ourselves and introduce kung saan tayo galing, saan bansa tayo ngayon, OFW man o hindi. But nevertheless, this is a healthy community para mag-share ng mga trading ideas para sa inyo guys. And hopefully, I will be putting up a server publicly para sa mga baguhan naman and those mga followers and subscribers natin. Alright? So yeah, this is just a minor announcement, and hopefully, guys, you can join us and make this community grow, lalo na sa ating mga estudyante nag-aaral. Alright, guys, so mga baguhan pa lang. But nevertheless, everyone here wants to learn, wants to make profits from the market, but as much as possible, we're all equal in the eyes of the market. Alright, guys, so that would be it. So, yun lang, and thank you very much. Alright, bye-bye.